Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the ESR HaloLock 3-in-1 watch wireless charging set. 3-in-1. This is for use with MagSafe compatible iPhones. You've got that super strong HaloLock technology MagSafe charger. You've got a wireless charging pad for AirPods or other wireless charging earbuds. And you've got an Apple Watch charger that detaches and can be taken with you or plugged into other things to charge as well, which is really, really cool. HaloLock is a super strong magnet technology that they use in their MagSafe compatible stuff. You can see ESR, they're one of my favorite companies. Everything is premium. When you open up the package, you know right away you're getting premium quality product. You can see immediately you get a quick setup video scan and instructions here so that you know how to use this thing. Everything is high quality with ESR. So we're gonna move that over. And you can see you've got your portable watch charger here separately. So let's go ahead and pull this out. It's gotta get that undone real quick. And we're back. That is now undone, so I can pull that out. And you can see they include this charger. This has also its own little guide and stuff in its own separate box. Another video to watch, see how to use it. But here it is right here. I'm gonna move that off to the side so you can pull that out. And look at that, that's so cool. I mean, this is a portable watch charger, so you can take this, you can plug this into any USB-C power supply and charge your watch. So very cool. This is portable, can be taken with you, but then also works in conjunction with this 3-in-1 charger. So let's pull out the rest of this stuff. All right. Here we have the stand, and look at that. Beautiful, nice aluminum silver finish here. You've got the white here and here. Again, this is the HaloLock technology, so it's going to be a really super strong MagSafe compatible magnet in there. And then key wireless charging here for your AirPods, or also can be used with other wireless earbuds that charge with key wireless charging. And then you see right here on the back is a place where you can plug this in order to use it. See, look at that. Now you have your 3-in-1. Your 3-in-1, you can be charging all three devices at once, but if you need to take your watch charger on the go, you can take it with you on the go to plug into other things and charge, which is super cool. Now let's check out what else you're gonna get in the box. Probably a power supply, because ESR doesn't leave you hanging or make you provide your own power supply like some companies do. They give you everything you need in the box. So let's open this up. And here you go. And of course, like I said, you've got a nice Type-C charging brick and Type-C to Type-C cord. So this will plug into the back of this in order to get power this whole thing. You do have rubber feet on the bottom here as well, so this won't slide around on your desk, which is great, or your nightstand, or wherever you're putting it. But yeah, this is what you get. You get the full 3-in-1 charger with the detachable Apple Watch portable charger, and you've got your HaloLock technology and your charging cord and charging brick, everything you need. Really awesome product by ESR, and that's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested, share the video with them. If you have questions, post them down below. Subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, and stay tuned for a full demo and review video coming up. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.